List of planets and human survival potential. Mercury surface conditions. Extreme temperatures, lack of atmosphere, high radiation, survivability, hours to days without advanced shelter. Why? No atmosphere to breathe, with temperatures ranging from 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius, daytime to minus 330 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 201 degrees Celsius, nighttime. High radiation levels make it uninhabitable for humans without protective gear in a sealed environment. Venus surface conditions. Thick, toxic atmosphere with sulfuric acid clouds, surface temperatures around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, crushing pressure. Survivability, minutes with current technology. Why? The atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, with extreme pressure and heat, making surface survival impossible without specialized, fully enclosed habitats. Earth surface conditions. Earth supports life naturally. Survivability, infinite, given current technology and resources. Perfect atmosphere, water, and resources for human life. Mars surface conditions. Thin CO2 atmosphere, cold, minus 195 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 125 degrees Celsius at the poles. Radiation exposure. Survivability, weeks to months with current technology, potentially longer with habitats. Why? Requires life support systems, protection from radiation, and sustainable habitats for long-term survival. Jupiter surface conditions. No solid surface. Gas giant with extreme pressures, temperatures, and radiation. Survivability. Not possible. Hours to days technically, but there is no solid ground. Why? Human survival outdoors is impossible. Deep space probes would be needed for any exploration. Saturn surface conditions. Similar to Jupiter. Gas giant with hostile environment. Survivability. Not feasible without advanced spacecraft. Hours to days in an unprotected environment. Why? No solid surface and extreme atmospheric conditions. Uranus surface conditions. Ice giant, extremely cold. High pressure, no solid surface. Survivability. Not feasible. Why? No habitable environment. Only possible with spacecraft or protected habitats. Neptune surface conditions. Similar to Uranus. Cold, high-pressure environment. Survivability. Not feasible. Why? No solid surface, and the environment is too hostile for unprotected humans. Dwarf planet Pluto. Bonus. Surface conditions. Cold, minus 229 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 143 degrees Celsius. Thin atmosphere, ice-covered surface. Survivability, weeks to months depending on shelter. Why? Very cold but theoretically possible with insulated habitats and life support systems. Summary. Vertical bar, planet dwarf planet, vertical bar, survival time without shelter, vertical bar. Key conditions, vertical bar, winter, vertical bar. Vertical bar, planet vertical bar, vertical bar. Mercury vertical bar. Hours to days, vertical bar. Extreme heat, cold. No atmosphere. Radiation vertical bar. Vertical bar. Venus vertical bar. Minutes vertical bar. Toxic atmosphere, high temperature and pressure. Vertical bar, vertical bar. Earth vertical bar. Indefinite vertical bar. Supports life. Naturally vertical bar. Vertical bar. Mars vertical bar. Weeks to months, vertical bar. Cold. Thin atmosphere, radiation. Vertical bar Jupiter. Vertical bar. Not possible, gas giant. Vertical bar. No solid surface, extreme pressure and radiation vertical bar. Saturn vertical bar. Not possible vertical bar. Same as Jupiter, but with less gravity vertical bar. Vertical bar Uranus vertical bar. Not possible vertical bar. Ice giant, no surface, extreme cold vertical bar. Neptune vertical bar not possible vertical bar. Same as Uranus vertical bar. Pluto vertical bar weeks to months vertical bar very cold.